Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I'm coming to you from my office on my computer. I'm hoping this thing does not explode. But anyway, I've got to be quick here because the fan is jamming up bad. Anyway, we've got obviously an interesting article here in regards to bank accounts and only being for elites. We're going to have a listen to that, guys. Ripple revealing 8 countries, obviously helping to build their CBDCs, which is crazy. The BRICS nations are obviously going to abandon the US dollar as well. That is all happening, and they're going to be basically using Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That is a no-brainer. Ripple's XRP expected to outperform all other major cryptos in the coming bull run. What do you think about that? We've got Binance now investing in an interesting crypto project. We've got Bitcoin daily RSI is now most oversold since the pandemic, which is crazy. Bitcoin could become 60%. Obviously, I should say bounce 60% after a sharp sell-off that we all saw a couple of days ago. Vitalik has just literally transferred $1 million in Ethereum to Coinbase, which is interesting as well. And dwindling optimism for these Bitcoin spot ETFs, which is just nuts when you think about it. But anyway, guys, going to get into the video. I'm going to have a quick sip of water. There we go, guys. This is real stuff. Let's get into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It is down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way, guys. Yes, we have David Schwartz here straight in the community tab. It can't be dirt cheap. That doesn't make any sense. If XRP costs $1, they'd need a million XRP, which would cost $1 million. If XRP cost $1 million, they'd need 1 XRP, which again would cost $1 million. It is very dirt cheap at the moment, don't you think? Now, my day trading bots, I'm going to show you this, guys. Yes, I literally made some gains overnight, 405 Australian dollars. And basically this week alone is 9,000 Australian. This is not a demo account. This is my actual trading account. I'll show you that in a second on OKX. XRP, 80% loading to 10,000. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. We had top altcoins in the portfolio today. We had Acro, Star Atlas. It's an incredible game. XPR Proton, which is not XRP. XPR Proton. Cool project. Omi and Ravane. Now, moving on, guys. Let's go to CoinSpot. Now, they are an official partner of the channel. Please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, but with stuff like this, do your own research and due diligence. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 41,000 Aussie. Ethereum's at 2,600. XRP's at 82 cents. Still incredibly cheap, in my opinion. ETH 6 years ago was 97 cents. Go look it up. We've got 88.41. Solana's at $33. Litecoin, 105. We have Polkadot here at $7, Matic at 87 cents, XLM is at 19 cents, Chainlink is at $9, HBAR is at 10 cents, Quant is at $159, which is nice. VeChain is at 2 cents, incredibly undervalued. I am trading Optimism as well. That's up 3.53%. I'm pretty sure I got a couple of long positions open up in the Patreon on that one. Let's have a look here, guys. XDC at 8 cents. It is coming back down. Algo's at 15 cents. Axie's at $7. We have Theta at 99 cents. That is insane. Moving down, we have Neo at $11. Gala is at 3 cents. Pepe as well, down 4%. I am trading that. IOTA's at 23 cents. Caspar is at 5 cents. Now, they are some very, very undervalued gems. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below, guys. Again, I put up on my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, my crypto day trading bots, obviously my crypto futures grids bots, which are up there as well. A whole range of stuff, and more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. A lot less volatile than crypto, but very, very bullish nonetheless, guys. And massive shout out to those 330 people that signed up. You guys rock. There is 1,068 posts that I put up in there. That is a lot of information there that can be very, very useful to you. And a lot of news goes up in there as well before I go live on the channel. Now, I'm going to show you this, guys. Now, yes, an OKX is an official partner of the channel. And I have my day trading bot set up. No BS. This is a real account. This is my account. I'm going to show you this right now. On the day, I'm up 337 Australian, which is just crazy when you think about it. That's nearly, if you average that out by 7 days, what's that? It's about nearly $2,000 a week. I mean, who doesn't want that? That's incredible. Yes, on the week, I'm up actually 235%, which is $8,000. No BS. I did get liquidated. I dropped off here. I lost about 1,000, probably more, given the fact that there was that crash in Bitcoin. But anyway, wild. On the month, I'm still up 524% there, $10,754, which is just nuts when you think about it. But the bots that I have set up in the Patreon, guys, link is below. I currently have 35 positions opened up at the moment. As you can see, they're long positions with 25x leverage. With this stuff, please don't use leverage if you're not confident with losing. I mean, like, you're not comfortable with losing money, because, I mean, leverage is just wild. I would suggest do your research on this. Don't use 25x if you're not comfortable with losing it, period. All right? Don't use it. I'm advising you not to do it. Now, again, I'm up 17 USDT here, 3.8%. I've got Bitcoin opened up, as you can see right here. Woo, Doge, Ethereum, BSV. We have Cardano, basic attention token on longs right here. And we have some shorts positions open as well, as you can see right here. Now, I just want to go to the trading history quickly so you can see how this actually works. And if I go history, yes, there are some liquidations here, as you can see. This is what happens, but you can see this is actually the trading history, and it takes small profits, 39 USDT cents, sorry, like 80 cents, $1. As you can see here, it just takes small profits and consistently, and this is no BS. I mean, these are all winning trades. You can't make this up. This is not a demo account. I'm serious. And again, look, I got liquidated out of these positions. So again, you can get liquidated. It's not nice. And I did get liquidated like a lot during the last crash. But mostly, these have all been in profit. Now, I do have a long bot set up and a long bot and a short bot set up. So I'm trading both ways with an RSI indicator. Obviously, when it drops below 30 on the RSI, and obviously is it above 70. So again, opening long and short positions. But look at this. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. By the way, this is from the 21st. So this is yesterday. All right. So this is like 2 days. I mean, today's what, the 22nd now. So, I mean, this is like going 2 days of non-stop trading, 24 hours a day. There you go. That's no BS. Anyway, link is in the Patreon, guys. Go join up. You will not regret it. And thank you, OKX, for being an incredible exchange. Now, crypto bubbles, we have a sea of red again. Optimism is up 4.6%. I am day trading this, as you just saw. It's $1.55 USD at the moment at 4.6%, which is nice. A cash network, I have no idea what this is, but it's, I mean, soaring in the last month. It's up 139%. Can't complain about that. There are incredible buying opportunities, of course, like Solana, down to $21 US at the moment at 1.8%, which is just crazy when you think about it. And Hedera as well, very, very bullish at 6 cents. The momentum has sort of dipped away from this with the whole FedNow announcement. And again, I'm still very bullish on Hedera Hashgraph, all right? And of course, XRP. I mean, come on, this is going to be a monster asset in the future. Absolute no-brainer. Let's see who's going to sell it first, at what level. I want to know when you're going to end up selling it. I'm just curious to know if it's going to be $1, $5, $10. Who's going to be hodling for a little bit longer? I want to know. Let's get into it, guys. Anyway, we have only elites obviously have ability to have bank accounts all over the world, which is interesting right here. Obviously, small businesses battle for Fed for master account access, which is really interesting as well. And the master accounts, which give banks and credit unions access to the Federal Reserve's financial services to settle and clear global transactions, are the center of trillions of dollars of daily money flows. And Denenberg right here needed access in order for his business to function. But after the charter was confirmed, the Fed fell silent. Nearly 10 months passed before it sent one-page letter to Denenberg denying his request. It said that Denenberg's unproven and novel business model represents an undue risk to the United States Central Bank, and that the company's focus on international trade leaves it open to money laundering and terrorism-facing financing risks. And Denenberg, right here, 33, said he was disgusted when he received the letter, having spent the better part of his adult life dreaming of building a company that enables small businesses to access international markets, which is really interesting. Without needing the goodwill and one handful of the mega banks that now dominate cross-border trade settlement. And today, the way business works, only the elites have the ability to have bank accounts all over the world to move money between continents, which is just nuts when you think about it. And this is why I believe, in my opinion, only the elites want to hold crypto. And this is why you're seeing all like Larry Fink from BlackRock, Fidelity, Cathie Woods. They all want to get into this, guys. They do. They don't want us holding it. It's absolute facts. They don't want us holding crypto, especially XRP, in my opinion. Sorry, guys. I need water. Anyway, Ripple revealing 8 countries building CBDCs on the XRP ledger, which is just crazy. But in May 2023, Ripple will announce the new venture to remain the digital finance at the launch of the central bank digital currency CBDC platform. And this dynamic platform empowers central banks, governments, and financial institutions to take charge of their digital currency issuance, distribution, and management. Utilizing Ripple's advanced technology right here, building upon their earlier private ledger project, this platform harnesses the power of the XRP ledger to pave the way for the new era of customizable and efficient CBDCs. Impressively, even though the new ledger was launched just 3 months ago, over 8 countries are already building CBDCs on the XRP ledger. 8 countries. Let that one sink in for a moment. 8 countries. Now, we have over 15% of all countries may use the XRP ledger as CBDC platform. And last month, James Wellis, the Vice President of Central Bank of Engagements and CBDCs at Ripple, said that the blockchain company is in talks with more than 30 countries to adopt its XRPL-powered CBDC platform. At the time, Wellis said Ripple publicly announced partnerships with 5 central banks. And obviously you can see here, while 5 were not disclosed to the public yet, in addition, Ripple was in conversations with over 20 more countries to offer them its private and public XRP ledger as a base for developing CBDCs. Given that there are a total of 195 countries in the world, there's a fun fact, this suggests that more than 15% of the global nations are considering using Ripple's technology for building CBDCs. Could you imagine if there are literally 195 countries using XRP? Mind blowing, guys. Mind blowing. Now, I did have an article up here about the BRICS nations, but Ripple XRP expected to outperform major cryptos in the coming bull run because of its 3 reasons. Let's go through those 3 reasons right here. I want to do this because it's fascinating. And I just want to show you this. And obviously has been known for this contempt of XRP claiming underperformance and centralization. But the narrative may have finally shifted because, according to the analyst, he now believes, and obviously this is Crypto Educator right here, he believes that XRP can outperform the most large networks in the coming bull run, which is interesting. And as to the reasons why he believes this as the case, the analyst lists 3 main reasons. He explains that XRP did not return to its all-time high for 5 years and had 2 cycles price suppression. Additionally, he said the tokenomics proved to be okay since 70 to 80% relocked in escrow in the last 3 years, which is really interesting as well. And I'm looking for these 3 reasons right here. But this comes after Ripple returned 80% of its 1 billion XRP to its escrow, which it released earlier in August. In 2017, Ripple introduced an escrow system and locked 55 billion of its tokens, about 55% of its supply. These are split into 1 billion escrow, each escrow, and unlocked monthly to ensure supply control and predictability and ecosystem stability while meeting holder demands and supporting XRP's growth. The first reason why Virtual Bacon right here he's bullish on XRP is that he believes the demand for XRP and others are continuously increasing with the advancement of central bank digital currencies, like I just read you. It should be noted that the FedNow service is a payment system that the Federal Reserve offers to enable banks and credit unions to transfer funds for customers. Similar to FedWire right now and FedH, ACH, unlike a currency, it doesn't replace any payment methods like cash. According to its website, the Federal Reserve hasn't officially announced any decisions on issuing a CBDC and would require legal authorization to step in. Obviously, such a step. So, in addition, investment focus for XRP-related asset under management has surged 125% this year, according to the 12% assets under management. The recent favorable ruling in the SEC case against Ripple Labs, differentiating XRP as securities from securities, obviously increased investor interest. While this has prompted major exchanges to relist the token and boost liquidity, the SEC's plan to appeal the decision on Ripple's XRP sales raises new uncertainties. And again, I don't think they're going to basically win this. Anyway, I'm very interested to see what happens with Ripple and XRP in the next bull market, because I think this is going to be like one that overtakes Ethereum again. It will happen. Binance announces investing in this cryptocurrency project, which is really fascinating, guys. It really is. The world's largest exchange, Binance, continues to invest in various crypto money projects. At this point, Binance Labs, the venture capital to an incubator right here, arm of Binance, announced that it is invested in Delphinus right here, Lab, which is interesting right here. And I can't even pronounce this right. Is it Delphinus? Delphinus Lab aims to grow the ecosystem of Web3 dApps through an application-specific aggregation service built on top of the zkWASM implementation. Very interesting. Anyway, guys, the funds will be used to obviously continue development of Delphis Labs application aggregation platform, which provides automated grouping services for Web3 application development. I'm going to have a look at Binance Labs and obviously go deeper in the Patreon about which institutions are holding what cryptos, because I did have a full list of about 50 institutions as well, by the way, which I did post up last week. And it's fascinating to see what's happening in there, guys, of each one of these portfolios. I might do another video on that. Bitcoin daily RSI is now at the most oversold since the pandemic, which is crazy. And obviously, you can see right here, in the fast-paced world of crypto trading, the Relative Strength Index, the RSI, serves as a valuable tool for investors as traders to gauge the momentum of an asset. And I use that with my crypto trading bots, by the way. A recent development has set the stage for a significant market event as the Bitcoin, obviously, daily RSI has plummeted to levels not seen since the pandemic in March 2020. In the RSI, a widely used technical indicator, measures the spread of a change of price movements. It oscillates between 0 and 100, and readings above 70, typically indicating an overbought condition, and readings below 30, suggesting an oversold condition. The recent drop in Bitcoin's daily RSI below the 20 mark has raised eyebrows. In the crypto community, this level oversold territory hasn't been witnessed since the turbulent days of the pandemic-induced, obviously, market crash in 2020, when the entire financial landscape was gripped by a fear and uncertainty. All this says to me is just continued dollar cost averaging. It's not financial advice. We have Vitalik as well, selling $1 million, or moving it, to Coinbase, which is interesting as well. Why has he done that? It is stated that the value of these ETH was about $1 million US. While it's not known why Vitalik Buterin sent these ETH to Coinbase, it is considered that he sent it for sale. So he's actually cashing out of Ethereum on Coinbase, which is really interesting. Anyway, dwindling optimism for Bitcoin ETF approval to blame as weekly crypto outflows hit $55 million. And even altcoins slumped, with only Ripple's XRP and Cardano registering inflows. There you go. And optimism surrounding what is previously thought to be an impending approval of a spot-based Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has begun to give way, as $42 million obviously worth of the week's outflows came from Bitcoin alone. And which is interesting as well. And Ethereum products didn't fare much even better. Better much even, given the fact the market shares Ether saw $9 million in outflows, while Polygon, Litecoin, and Polkadot and also saw outflows totaling combined $2 million. The only cryptocurrencies to experience inflows, listen to this, obviously were Ripple's XRP and Cardano. The former saw $1.2 million in inflows, while Cardano pulled the modest $100,000. Which is crazy when you think about it. And even geographically speaking, nearly every territory reported saw outflows. Canada led the losses with a list of $35.9 million in outflows, representing the lion's share. It was followed by Germany and the United States with $11 million and $5.5 million of outflows, respectively. Switzerland and Australia managed to report only inflows right here. Go on, Aussies right there. Very interesting. Now, Cryptometer.io, guys. Let's have a look here. And let's just wait for this website to load. It has a freaking mind of its own. Let's wait for it here, guys. All right, we've got money. I can just see it there. Where are we? Buy flow. Let's have a look. We've got Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge. We have XRP, which is nice. Cardano, Shiba Inu. I'm still holding on to that. AVAX, and we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Absolute no-brainers. Quickly, let's go to X, guys. And I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you're following the official count, please. Thank you to those 5,414 people. You guys rock. I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. XRP influencer Sento Samu Sabah right here has shared details about Singapore's financial watchdog seeking advice from Ripple concerning stablecoin regulations for enhanced value and stability. Absolutely wild. Jack the Rippler right here. Have a look at this. Now, again, he says this tweet, which is incredible. But do you remember when I posted this about 3 years ago? The majority said that he was not talking about XRP. Who officially joined the BIS to settle trillions of dollars by using XRP? Ripple. We are not here to trade XRP. We are here to create generational wealth. Yes, that is the truth. Have a listen to this. The BIS, Bank of International Settlements. Listen to this.
That cuts across borders and that can help cut the cost and improve the speed of cross-border payments, which everyone agrees now are too slow and too costly. So I would say the top priority for the global community is not about CBDC. CBDC will come in, so central bank digital currency. It will come in due course in different ways, and we're working on it. But the top urgent priority is to improve cross-border payments, in particular for low-income and developing economies, because that's a matter.
There you go. They're going to be using Ripple and XRP, that's for sure. We've got a bullish interview right here again with linked to. Now, I'm not going to watch this because it's going to crash my computer, but I'm going to keep going here. But BlackRock got bullish on Bitcoin at the exact top. That is facts. David Schwartz right here. We've got, I think, Ripple is saying hello to Gary. They're putting up, obviously, advertisements all over the train station, which is just crazy as well. Big news in the world of Bitcoin. The EU just voted to let banks hold 2% of their capital in Bitcoin. Think about this, guys. It's official. Crypto's going mainstream and the financial revolution is unstoppable. Absolute facts. Thank you, Seth, for that. The world will forever change tomorrow. Many are unaware. BRICS nations, obviously Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, which is just crazy to see what's happening with that. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 50, I should say not 50, 37. I think I'm going blind from all the trading. Jim Cramer says investors should ignore Bitcoin and buy gold instead. I don't think so, mate. Anyway, guys, quickly, let's go to CoinMarketCap. We have $1 trillion at the moment, $28 billion in volume, 48% BTC, 19% Ethereum. This is my portfolio, guys. Top gainers, as you can see right here. This goes up in the Patreon every single morning. Join up to that, guys, and you'll get, obviously, incredible access to those bots. And, of course, where my focus is the banking coins, as you can see right here. Absolute no-brainer. I'm not going to go through them all, but again, I've updated this to put in the QFS system as well. All of the coins that, and projects, I should say, that help building that out. That is it, guys, for today. Thank you very much. Join the Patreon. You'll get access to those day trading bots, which are doing incredible things at the moment. And I want to say thank you very much to every single one of you for watching this long in the video. And I hope you have a good night, a good evening, a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso, guys. All right, I'll speak to you all soon. Peace out. Bye.